Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Crypto Traders Arena daily crypto plan. Well, I don't know how it happened, but it's Friday again. So, last day of the week was not the best week, but not the worst. We made some money, but the price action is still not the best one. It's still not easy mode for traders. Morning, everyone. Morning, Cătălin, Stefan, Bova, Bucur, Cătălin, Shogun. Nice to see you guys. Not too many people are interested in trading, which is not bad because we are closer to the capitulation candle or to the capitulation area than we think. Okay, we'll start with daily chart as usual, because that's the best approach if you are a swing trader or a day trader. Yeah, nice to see that, Bucur. Nice to see that. Morning, Tolga, morning. Well, Bitcoin on daily. As you can see on the chart, we are closing below 60k over and over again. We are slowly bleeding down. Not bad. We didn't touch 54 for the moment. We don't necessarily need to close below 54. We can stay here, make a nice W and push higher. I don't see it looking at the ES. I don't see that. I see the market wants to retest this V bottom. So we can push lower. And if ES will push lower, I think Bitcoin could do the same. But let's not predict the market. Let's wait, find some levels, find some setups and make some money. That's why we are here. Not to predict the market and after we have a correct prediction to say, well, I'm the best, look at me, I predicted the market. And the wallet is empty. I don't think it's a good idea for us to do that. Well, here we have some support here, a small support here, but I still think on the week basis, or with a week, we can touch 54 here. If you will change the other template, here you can see we have a long reload zone here. And if we'll reach that 61.8 or maybe even lower, we'll make a nice W. Daily 4-hour chart, that will be a good area for us to hunt along. For the moment, not the case. For the moment, we are still bleeding slow and steady. Hey, Hania, nice to see you. So, let's wait a little bit. We don't have not even location. I explained yesterday in the New York that we need location. And then we can go to the other reasons. Look at divergence, look at market structure. So, first of all, I need location. I need the price action in the long reload zone below 61.8. After I have that, I could look for the second one. And then I could go to the third and final one. Give me a nice W in this case and break out if you want, or retest if you are more protective. And you have a setup. But we are not there yet. So on daily, I'm expecting here 54. Let's change the template. 54 in this area and waiting for a W. Indicators on daily, we don't have anything special. Something is changing here on OBV. Now, the price is going lower and lower and OBV is making low, higher, low and so on. So maybe something is brewing here. Maybe something will confirm and will have a bullish divergence here. It's a potential one for the moment. But why I'm looking at this one? Because it's on daily. So daily is pretty important for me. So OBV is trying to tell us, well, slow down, don't be too bearish, because the volume is saying something else. So please don't be too bearish here at 56. I know influencers are becoming bearish again. 2 days ago in this candle, in this bounce, small bounce, everyone was bullish again. Well, we'll go to the moon. And now they all go bearish, and I'll tell you, slow down with the bearishness. Yeah, we can touch 54. Yeah, we can touch even 52 maybe. But that will probably be end of this move, not the beginning. And anyway, we are in 2024. Last part of 2024. We should be damn bullish, but not moon boys. Okay. So that's my thinking here. 54, if will be the case, maybe 52. On daily, we don't have anything special. We don't have a good location yet. So we should wait for that, and then we can think about a long setup. Okay, Ethereum. Weaker than Bitcoin. You can see here it's close. We 2 days ago we tested the candle body lows here and no W yet. Long relow zone, you can see it's at the big one. It's below 2100. If we take this move up and we are assuming, well, let's assume that that was the bottom here at 2100. Possible. Let's not predict the market. Let's take a long relow zone and let's see what we have. Well, we kind of have something. We have a location. We are below 61.8. So, if on 4-hour chart, I don't know if it's the best, but anyway, daily chart, I'll see in this area a nice W. Okay, I could think about something. But until then, no. What we have here on Ethereum, and everyone should see that, it's a setup we want to play around. You can see the trend line. Give me a W, the other side of the trend line. And probably this will be the best approach on Ethereum. Wait for a W the other side of the trend line. Will come here in this area or lower in long relow zone? Well, actually the lower the better, but I think that will convince me to hunt on swing trading part, to hunt a long idea on Ethereum. W the other side of the trend line. And for the moment, we don't have anything here. We are on the wrong side of the trend line. We need to go the other side and then make a W. Yes, yeah, you're right. Ethereum Foundation, well, Vitalik has a new girlfriend, so you have to understand. Look at his face, look at him. You think he's the guy who will not spend for a girl? I don't think so. It's normal to spend, but to overspend is not okay. So, say thank you again. You should thank Vitalik's girlfriend. I don't know her name. Ooh, that's a problem. That's a problem. We'll suck all the life from Vitalik then. Okay. No, I'm not saying in a bad sense, guys. Don't get me wrong. Okay. So here, W the other side of the trend line. On daily chart, if you are a trader and you want to see when this bad environment or hard environment will change to easy mode, well, after a W the other side of the trend line on Ethereum, probably will be the best tell. Well, I have to trade again. It's easy mode. For the moment, no. For the moment, we are still in ugly. Okay, so that's Ethereum here on daily indicators. Well, similar here. They are trying to tell us something, but it's not confirmed yet. Actually, let me see. No. But if we'll accept above this high, then it's a confirmed bullish divergence. Let's watch that. Okay, that's Ethereum. Bitcoin dominance. Well, dominance here is at a triple top. Let's see if it will be a triple top and will accept back below. You can see I have a support and resistance here, and we are still above that level. Bitcoin dominance is still damn strong. I said it yesterday and I'll repeat it until I'll see the market accepting below or pushing higher. So retesting this level third time and staying at that level is not bearish. I'll be honest, it's not bearish. Bitcoin dominance is still damn strong. Yeah, at the end of the live stream, usually I take all the requests, Booker, to have everything organized. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Well, let's look at weekly on this motherfucker. Why? It's the best approach to see something. Yeah, we have location. That's for sure. We are in the long reload zone from the 2019 against Bitcoin. We have location. We are below 61.8. What we need here is a big fucking W. I'll say, well, something is changed when I'll see W's. For the moment, look from 2022, yeah, from September 2022, lower highs and lower lows. Until that will change, nothing will change here. For the moment, we manage after more than 2 years to get a location. I don't know how much time will take to get a W. 1, 2 years, maybe 2 months, we don't know. So that's the overview. On daily, we are in the long reload zone, double long reload zone. We bounced and we are back here. Show me a clear W and maybe we'll get a better bounce. If not, well, let's wait. DXY. Well, here we have a problem. Actually, not a problem. Looking at this chart, I could see V bottom here. Ugly retest. I don't know if 100 level will hold today. Let's hope that will hold and will bounce, but long reload zone is too damn close now. I'm assuming that the range will hold as every fucking time. Yeah, it's more profitable to think range, to think bounce, to think fake out from the range, but doesn't look too great here. Total market cap, similar with Bitcoin. Total 2, similar with Bitcoin. Total 3, in the middle of this downtrend channel. We have some support here. Hopefully in the second part of September, maybe October, we can get something on altcoins. For the moment, we are still buying the dip. And yes, here we have a double top. Ugly rejection here on daily. You can see we SFU Tuesday when the big boys joined us again. And you can see long reload zone is here. Ugly price action here. Now, but this candle is telling us a story, and TRIers should know. Not only TRIers, but you should know what this candle means. Look how many candles there are inside of this one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 candles. Come on, that's telling us something. That doesn't mean we'll go straight down. No. We can bounce back here in a short reload zone. We can aim out. Don't try to short straight here. But hunting shorts, I don't think it's a bad idea. And if you're wrong, we have stop losses. But this candle is telling us a story. So, I'm not bullish here. This candle is scared me a little bit. Okay. That's the overview. Not too many things we can do on the overview if we are doing it on the daily basis. But yesterday in the New York session, we discussed the shark setup, and you can see if you put here we had a 1-to-1. Everyone should be break even here. Yeah, because I said close 50% if you reach 1-to-1, and we reached 1-to-1. Yeah. So now everyone should be in a free position. If the market will go all the way down at your stop loss, you should not lose money. It's not the best scenario here. Yeah, I saw Stefan posting his setup here, but this is an ugly downtrend. Why? Because we had the similar stuff here. Now you can see down, up, we SFU all the highs here. This was Stefan's setup and we broke down. Now we have again. We took this high, a little bit and we are going back down, with the news we can push lower. Why? I'm thinking that. Well, because I have the long reload zone a bit lower here. Yeah, 55. So this is like a magnet now. So I managed to get in a free position. Well, from this point I'm okay, because I cannot lose money. I protected my capital. I did my job. Okay, let's see 4-hour chart on altcoins. I don't think 1 hour is good enough for the moment. Sorry guys. Even someone said that I'm not posting swing trades too much and he's upset about that. Well, I'm waiting for swing trades. I'm not here to invent new setups. I'm here to wait for a clear setup. Market to tell me, well, go and play something. And for the moment, I have on everything, we have allocation. And some bullish divergence. But I don't see a clear W breakout and retest, because they are altcoins and I prefer to be damn sure that I have a chance. If I don't see setups, I'm not playing setups. So I have over here, similar, consolidating, I like that, but give me a W. If I'll not see a clear W, I'll not take anything. And if we'll not W out, well, we'll M out, and then we'll take the low, and we'll SFU again the low, take the liquidity again. So why I should be in a hurry to take a position? Just to lose money? No. So either I have an advantage in the market to risk my money, or I'll stay out. IEVO alt is in a similar position here, maybe a head and shoulder, but I don't like this tail. Bitcoin we talked about. CRV, we took the trade, we are in profit, nothing we can do about it. Dimension, similar, we have location but not too much else. We have here bullish divergence, okay, that's good, but show me a clear double here please, and I'll be more aggressive. Until then, out. Finally E-Gold, it's in the long reload zone. Back retesting this week, and if you remember I said, well, this week is ugly, needs a retest. Well, we even took the low here. Well, okay, we took the liquidity, now please give me a W. We have some bullish divergence trying to form, give me a W. No W, no trade. Ethereum here, well, let's zoom in a little bit on Ethereum. It's a big shit coin, so deserves a bit more attention. What we have here, well, Fibpong, you can see dropping down, back in the short, aiming out. Some people managed to take a trade here, some people didn't, but it's up to how sharp you are and what's your time frame. Drop down in the long reload zone again. Made a kind of an ugly W with wicks and tails here. Breakout and retest. It's a setup? Well, if you are thinking general setup, yes. If you are thinking LJ, we should wait for another W. Yeah? So we can play something here. Let's pay attention on Ethereum. W the other side of the trend line in a 1 hour time frame. And in the New York session, after the news, maybe we'll have that W. Let's watch that. In the same time, we have a W in the long reload zone. On this time frame, I don't see that bullish divergence. I just don't see it. We have some here. You can see if we'll zoom in on MACD, we have bullish divergence here, confirmed. So we have the second reason here in this dump. So technically, Ethereum has a confirmed trade, a confirmed setup. Will work? Well, usually these kind of setups work 55-60% of the time. So with a 2-to-1 risk to reward, which by the way, it's in confluence with retesting this initial EM, which is not bad. Confluence here, confluence there. So it's possible to take this trade. Not the best risk to reward. 2-to-1. It's okay-ish. Looking at Bitcoin and the rest, well, we'll bounce there. I don't know. It's up to you. I'll take this trade. No. It's there, but I prefer to play the other one. Yeah? So I prefer to play the LJ, which still has some work to do until it will give me a W the other side of the trend line. But the setup is valid here. Okay, back on 4-hour chart and let's look at more altcoins. FET still needs some work to go in the long reload zone, but we'll patiently wait. This one had a nice bounce, but no W, so let's wait. Here on this one, it's safe to say that on lower time frame you can play something like this. Huh? Go on 1 hour, 15-minute chart, and if we'll touch 61.8, $16, then look at this small opportunity, small window of risk here. I think it's more than nice to take this trade. I like it, so I'll even go on after the live stream and I'll put it in the market. Limit order, easy. Nice potential, you can see. This is my window of risk. And the potential could be here at 4, could be even there at initial EM, which is a 5 risk to reward. Well, that's a lot better than we have on Ethereum. Joe, not a good location yet. Manta, location, let's wait for a better W. This looks like an ugly diamond pattern, but we should wait for a W. Pixel, similar. Pyth, similar. Solana, we are above the long reload zone again. Not interested. Ton, above 61.8, and I said this one will slowly bleed. We are short, let's keep it that way. Tron, not the best. Just not the best for the moment. Doji, well, is aiming out and going back down at 70 cents. You can patiently wait if you want to load or invest or do whatever. Buy below 70 cents. So let's see what will happen. I have a good bag and I'll keep the bag for at least 10-20 X. Okay, that's my list. Not the best one, but acceptable. We can see the market with my list. Let's see the requests. By the way, until the requests, let's look at the news. Don't forget, in the New York session we have non-farm payrolls, unemployment rate. Big, important fucking news. I don't want to see anyone day trading, scalping half an hour before and half an hour after the news. Stay out. They are not small news. They could move the market. And if you are a scalper, that could destroy your account. You are not allowed to assume that risk. If you are a professional trader, you should not assume that fucking risk. I hope I was clear about that. Yeah, so we have news, big news in the New York session. Stay out, set an alarm, half an hour, 15 minutes before the news, so you'll know to get out and stay out. Please, don't fuck around. Now, let's go back on the chat. Guys, sorry about my voice. Seems like I'll get a small cold. Maybe, who knows. But my nose is telling me something. I stay out because no cash. Well, well, if you respected the plan, you should still have some cash, Andre. Okay, let's see. Someone asked about something. Let's see. Ethereum. No. WAM. Where we can find this one? Gate.io? Well, why not? Well, let's start like professional with higher time frame. Let's see the overall overview. Oh, well, you cannot say we don't have potential here. We have. Tokenomics probably pretty bad because from 2022 you can see what happened. Long consolidation, not bad. You should check the market cap, how the chart of market cap is in this one. You can see the market going and staying down, and the market cap could be up, 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 up. Watch for that, because it could be a problem. But let's see what we have now from 2023. Okay, so we tested, we made the bottom, we made a big W, too big for my taste, and we pumped. That's November 23. This is March 2024. Not bad. Big fucking, yeah, I don't like that, but it's at the bottom of the range, so doesn't matter too much. And let's put a location tool. I think this is good enough. Well, we have a damn good location, 88.6. Now, we are on weekly chart, we have good location. So, we are on the right time frame, we have a good location. Let's look for the next. I don't see anything on OBV. Look at this OBV, it's dying. It's dying. Could be a soft rug pull, maybe. But good location here. I don't know about tokenomics. I'm not going now on CoinMarketCap to see it. But if you want to buy this one with a setup, you should wait for a weekly W. Yeah? You don't have the weekly W. Wait for one, and then you can think about buying. If you want to invest in this one, you have a location. And if you want to invest, I recommend here dollar cost average. Decide what amount of money you want to invest, split it in 4 or 5 months, and buy at the same day, from the month. First day of the month, I'm buying, I don't know, $10 worth of WAM. So that's the investment advice. I'm not a financial advisor. What I should do with my own money: buying with a dollar cost average for an investment, set up, wait for a W, weekly W. On daily chart, you have another good location here from the last bounce. You can see, and you are at 78.6 on daily chart. Let's assume that this low will hold. Wait for a daily W here. Again, you can frame a setup. And here you have potential bullish divergence on daily. That's not bad. You can see low, higher low. This will confirm the bullish divergence on OBV. Yeah, that's nice. You have the same behavior on, no, actually you don't. You don't have it on RSI, only on OBV. But OBV is more than enough. Wait for a W, breakout and retest, or take the breakout if you're more aggressive, and you have a setup. Pretty simple. Anything else on the request part? PAL AI? Why not? Let's go back on the right time frame, weekly. Gate.io, similar. Yeah. Similar thing to do. Take the high, take the low. Well, you can see, look left here. You have some support and resistance. So this is a good area to think reversal. You have a good location. You are below 78.6. So you are already in the altcoin long reload zone, 78.6 to 88.6. Okay, that's good. Indicators. Well, this one looks a bit better here. You can see OBV is telling, well, I'm not so bearish. At least a little bit. So that's weekly. On weekly, we have good location and acceptable OBV. Nothing more than that. Looking left, we have support there. Looking at daily chart. Well, we need to wait on daily for a double in this area. You can see slowly, lower highs, lower lows, downtrend. LJ, well, let's find an LJ. Okay, this is well respected trend line. You can see the fight here. You have an LJ on daily if you get a daily W. Wait for the W, breakout and retest. At 88.6, even better location. So, yeah, they are not looking bad. You are not looking in the wrong direction, Bukur. That's good. You are not showing me charts that look like this. Look like this with the top. Well, look at this one. When I see someone asking me about charts like this, I understand they don't get the idea. They are trying to buy tops. They saw some influencers shilling it, and now they want to get an entry. At least in our community, people learn that they should not look like chart looking like this. Here, probably, and it's best to wait for a consolidation like this. If this one in the past did a long consolidation, now can do the same. So we'll take a long period of time to frame a setup. Well, if you want to invest, same approach. One on weekly basis, same approach. Give me a weekly W. You want to dollar cost average, you have a good location. Decide how much you want to invest. Split it in 4 and 5 or 5 or how much you want. And decide what day of the month you want to buy and buy it without looking at the price. Until you have your desired position. After that, hands under your ass and wait. Simple, no? Should be damn simple to invest. Why people overcomplicate things? I don't get it. Okay, so not too many things we can say. I'll say at the end of the live stream here, I see a nice W on daily here. It's a nice consolidation, clear breakout, clear retest. If you want to do something about this one, it's up to you. They have a product, so they have something. It's not a meme coin. Market cap 3.6 million. Guys, I don't know what to say. If you don't see the opportunity here, well, maybe you should look for something else. I could go to zero. Of course, everything could go to zero. Even ES could go to zero at some point in time. No? But it's a nice opportunity. Zoom out and see the opportunity. Let's see it. Well, look where we are and look where we were a couple of months ago. Huh? $4 and you have 14 cents. Come on. Don't sell your house, but buying with pizza money here is not a bad idea. I have a good bag of this one. Honestly, I don't know. Maybe 10% to add a little bit. I don't know if I still have room to buy. So that's the shit coins on Solana. Last chance challenge, premium guys. Well, we are at 68%, almost 70%, and we'll get at the desired exposure here. If you want to participate in this one, not the bad time. It's a nice time because the prices are usually below our entries. Join premium and you'll have access, full access on this plan and this spreadsheet. Let's not keep this live stream too much because I blabbed away half an hour. I saw the requests. I hope I didn't miss anything. Hopefully not. If you still have requests, please type in the general chat if you are not a premium member. And I'll gladly tell you my 2 cents about it. You already sold your house? Well, then you have a problem. If you sold your house, you have a problem. Where to sleep? That's a bigger problem than what to buy. I'm joking. Everyone knows what to do with their own money. Technically. Practically, it's a different problem. Well, guys, let's keep it short. See you Sunday. It's Friday. See you Sunday in the weekly crypto review. If you are a Capua One member, remember that at the end of the day, at 4 p.m. UTC, we have the first meet on Capua One. So try to participate in that meet. If not, see you Monday morning. Yeah? If you want to participate in Capua One, the registration is still open. For I don't know. Maybe I'll keep it open for one more week, but I should close the registration already. Yeah. Okay. See you guys next time. I'll go and trade with VIP guys in the London session. See you guys.